Hello and good morning all of you. This is your teacher and I welcome you all in my class. So today I am here with my concept of match the word with the pictures. Now look here. My concept is match the word with the picture. So here are some words and here are some pictures. Now you have to match it. Okay, so first of all what you have to do? Now get ready with your notebook, with your pencil and eraser and sit in front of me. Now ma'am is going to start. So now everybody is ready. Now these are match the word with the picture. So which word is this? Tell me. Which word is this? This is 6. So where is 6? Now tell me, 6 is here now. So we have to match this. So wait, with 6. Okay, 6 is here and 6 is here. Now the next one is top. Top. So where is top? Is this top? No, top is here. So now we will match with top. Next is cap. So where is cap? Tell me, where is cap? This is cap? No, this is sun. Cap is here. So now we will match this with cap. Okay, next is sun. So where is sun? Where is sun? Wow, sun is here. So we have to match the word with this picture. Okay, this is sun. Now next one is 10. So where is 10? Where is 10? So now where is 10? Look here. Where is 10? Where is 10? Wow, 10 is here. So now we have to match with 10. Okay. Now next is pot. So where is pot? This is pot. This is pot. Okay. Now next is net. Where is net? Where is net? Tell me. Net. This is net. Yes. So we have to match with net. Okay. Now next one is pin. So where is pin? Wow, pin is here. So we have to match pin, the word pin with the picture of pin. Okay. So next and last is fur and fan. Fur and fan. Where is fan? Fan is here. Okay, now it's done. So six. Wait. 6 is here. So 6, top, top is here. Cap, cap is here. Sun, sun is here. So this is 10, 10 is here. Pot, pot is here. Net, net is here. And next is pin, pin is here. And fan, fan is here. So this is E sound, O sound, A sound, A sound, A sound, O sound, A and E and A, or for an fan. No, now that's all for today. Now what you have to do at your home? You have to, now ma'am will be sending you the assignment with match the pictures, match the word with the picture, and you have to complete that assignment at your home. Now it's time to go, but ma'am will come back very soon. So till then, goodbye and have a great day.